do I delete a exited container? Let's see that example. So the command to delete a exited container from the Docker host is docker rm. The command is docker rm. Okay. Here, either I can give the Docker container name or the container ID. Okay. While giving the container ID, I can either give this complete digit which is displaying here or some of the unique digits of the list. For example, if you see that there is no other container running which is starting with F. So I can just give F here. So this will remove both the containers. So in the first container, I given the complete container ID. In the next container, I'm just giving a unique value in the container ID. That means out of the list of containers running, there is no other containers running with the whose container ID is starting with F. Okay. So let me see that. Now, if I do a docker ps-a, I don't see the containers. So this is how you can remove the exited containers. Okay. There is one more concept I want to highlight here. Okay. So there is a concept called Docker start is available, but I intentionally avoid this. Whenever you are managing a container, you should think of it like this container can go down at any point and any data which is stored inside the container will be lost. You should have that in your mind, so that I don't intentionally avoid the Docker start command. Okay. You can start an exited container. It is possible, but I intentionally avoid that. So you should consider whenever you are doing some changes to the container, changes to the Docker, you need to do it on the image, not on the container. So that's why I'm just avoiding the Docker start command. Okay. Always think that when you kill a container, it's gone. Okay. And if you want to rerun the container, think of it like bringing it from the scratch, from the image.